So today we'll be unboxing this 511 Shorty rifle bag from 511. This one can fit a 29 inches rifle. This is a backpack. Unlike any other rifle case, this one is a backpack. So this is personally my choice, since I don't want the common rifle cases wherein you have to carry it like this. So as a since I always carry a lot of items every time at the range, this one I always carry it using the backpack straps. So as you can see, there's a lock here for your chest, so this one will be securing your backpack. And at the back part, this is made of mesh for ventilation. You can adjust the size of your strap here. It has a handle here at the top, and another one is at the side. Looking at the front compartment, I put a separate mag pouch here, since I don't want to put my spare magazines at the bottom. So this is an easy access for me at the range. And there's a see-through mesh here, wherein you can put some accessories here. And this pouch goes all the way down here, so you can put other accessories inside this compartment. At the top, there's a mini compartment here, wherein you can put your eye protector, earplugs, but for me I put a tape here for silhouette targets, multi-tool, and a single Allen wrench. So let's check the main compartment. So I've been using this for my Bushmaster M4 rifle. This one is 29 inches. It has a velcro here, so this will be secure while you're traveling. And there's nothing special here, just for the rifle. There's no pouch here. It would be nice if 511 could have included a pouch here, but I don't think it's really necessary. It might scratch the rifle if you're an enthusiast about the smoothness of your rifle. So number one reason I got this bag is the low profile setting of this rifle case, since I don't want to be recognized that I am carrying a rifle inside this bag. This is it looks like a typical bag for me, but this is a good choice. It's kind of pricey for a bag, but I think it's a good buy for me. So that would be it. This is the 511 Shorty rifle bag from 511. Thank you for watching.